Hi, it's Mike Becker with the Dream Team. Today we have a special guest, Michael Schofield of NEXA Mortgage, and we're going to be asking him some questions we get a lot from our real estate clients asking us. So first of all, I'd like to thank you for coming, Mike. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
First question I have, with the rates being higher, when would you start to consider an adjustable rate mortgage?
Well, I would definitely say now is the time. For the average homeowner, they are in and out of their homes, or at least in and out of their mortgages, every 5 to 7 years.
Okay.
So several of the adjustable rate mortgages out there are 7 and 10-year fixed periods. There's no sense in paying the additional rate of a 30-year mortgage if you're only going to be in the home for possibly 7 years.
Okay.
So now is definitely a good time to consider an adjustable rate mortgage.
Is there any special programs out there that can help a borrower now that, rates are higher and everyone needs a little help?
Well, there are some good options out there. Like I said, it definitely makes sense to consider the ARMs. We just spoke about that. There are some down payment assistance programs out there, and they are their pricing is a little bit challenging right now, so they are better for the clients that have good credit and would fit into comfortably into the high FHA, low conventional world. There are still plenty of opportunities out there for creative things like seller concessions. I know it's not very common right now, but we are seeing a slowdown in the market. Long story short, that is something that I expect you'll be seeing requested more in the near future.
I've also had clients that have had some credit issues, and what suggestions would you have me to tell them what they can do to help improve those?
Well, once again, it all depends on the level of severity of the damage in the credit. There are quite a few options. To begin with, if they'll go to freeannualcreditreport.com.
That's one of those free credit reports? Yep.
Go to the freeannualcreditreport.com. Every bureau, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian are required to give you a free copy every year. Now, that copy will not come with your credit scores. Experian does have a program where they will give you a score for free. Don't use any of their paid services. But the credit bureau itself will give you direction on things you can do to improve your credit. If it's something that's beyond your understanding, certainly you can contact me and I can kind of guide you through. And if you really need a lot of help, I can definitely recommend several credit repair companies. Some of them will guide you through the process to educate you and train you to repair your own, and some of them, for a fee, they just fix your credit for you. Even with really bad credit, if you have the money to get things back on track, within 8 to 10 months, pretty much everybody can be in a position to.
So it takes some time sometimes.
Yes, absolutely. But with that said, less than a year is, in my opinion, not a great amount of time to wait.
If you get a house, it's all worth it in the end.
Absolutely.
So you can live the American dream.
And start building that equity.
Right.